ONBuild provides a single solution to create, track, and manage construction, installation, and coordinate scaffolding requests in one platform. It supports collaboration across all disciplines, not just pipe and steel, and all package phases to allow users to effectively manage the construction execution process. It also makes package creation and package management easy and handover seamless with automated workflows and a comprehensive view into the health and performance of your packaging program. ONBuild is an innovative solution that improves constantly when it comes to package creation and the execution process. Bottom line, ONBuild improves construction management with automation, visibility, and accountability. It's time to turn on the power of O3. Contact us to learn more today.